Alright, here's the morning after Atlanta, Georgia. Some of the smart people that get a running start can still get up the hill, but this truck's stuck. Car's abandoned. Truck behind him stuck. This truck's stuck. Cops are stuck. Truck's way down there stuck. Car's over there stuck. Abandoned. People try to use their floor mats. Abandoned. All ice. It's cold as shit. This car straight up ate the pole. Don't know what the fuck he was thinking. A bunch of us have been sleeping here all night. The ones of us that can run diesel trucks and get warm. All these cars that have been here since last night, their cars done died off. Used to see a road full of flashing lights last night. Now it's nothing. All the batteries died. I can't even walk up the damn hill.